Hi crochet lovers, welcome to Maruti Crochet. In today's video tutorial we are going to learn how to make tea coasters, table coasters. Okay, you can make this for any size, but I feel this size is a better size for a tea coaster. Yeah, if you are new to my channel, I welcome you all, and I have so many crochet video tutorial. You can watch them out, and please do subscribe my channel. Now let's get into the video to know how to make this crochet coasters. For this project I am going to use these 4 color yarns. So you can choose any of your favorite colors, but you need 4 different colors so that it will lighten up your work. Okay, so these are all acrylic yarns. This is Keron Simply Soft, this is Lion Brand Venices, and this is Red Hat Super Saver, and this is Bernard, I guess. Yeah, and I'm going to use 4.5 mm crochet hook, scissors and tapestry needle. Let's get started. I'm going to use this color first. You can slip knot, then chain 4, then slip stitch to the 4th chain to form a ring, or you can do a magic circle. So I'm going to do a magic circle, like making a cross and picking the yarn. Okay, now leave this. Now our circle is formed. Okay, now make chain 3, 1 2 3. So it's considered our first double crochet. Okay, so into the circle we are going to make 11 more double crochets. Okay, so this is our second, so totally we should have 12 double crochet into it. So 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 and 12. So we made 12 double crochet into the ring. So now just pull this to tighten it. Now make a slip stitch to the initial chain 3 we made. Okay, so inside the first one, this is the second, and this is our third chain. So I'm going to slip stitch on the third chain. Okay, so I have completed our first round. We have 12 double crochet. Now to begin the second round we are going to make 4 chains. Okay, so this is 1 double crochet and chain 1. Now go to each double crochet and make a double crochet and chain 1. Okay, so double crochet and chain 1. So just like this, make 1 double crochet and chain 1 and each. I'll meet you at the end of this round. Okay, so I have made all the way double crochet chain 1. So I'm at the end of this round. So we have to make a slip stitch to the initial chain 4, right? And that slip stitch to the top chain 3, not on the chain 4. Okay, so 1 2 3, this is our chain 3. So second row is completed. Now we are going to chain 1 and going to finish off this. Okay, so just cut this out. For the third round I'm going to use this yarn. So take your work, join at any chain 1 space. Okay, take this yarn, pull this and just make a chain 1 like this. Okay, now make chain 3. Okay, so this is considered as our first double crochet. In the same space make 2 more double crochet. Okay, so second double crochet, and this is our third double crochet. Okay, so we made chain 3 and we made 2 more double crochet in the same chain 1 space. Now make chain 1. Okay, now go to the next chain 1 space and make 3 double crochets. 1 2 3, then chain 1. Okay, so on third round we are going to make 3 double crochet chain 1 in each chain 1 spaces. Okay, so just continue making 3 double crochet chain 1 in each chain 1 space. I'll meet you at this end of this round. So I'm about to complete the third row. I've made 3 double crochet chain 1 in each of the chain 1 spaces. So totally you should have 36 double crochet and 12 chain 1 spaces. Okay, now go to the initial chain 3 and make a slip stitch. Now chain 1 and cut the yarn. Now I'm going to use this color, so you can join anywhere like in the previous round. Okay, so I'm going to join here. Just grab it and pull through, make a chain like this and make a single crochet into the same space. Okay, now make chain 3, 1 2 3. Now go to the next chain 1 space, make a single crochet. Okay, then again chain 3, 1 2 3. Go to the next chain 1 space, make a single crochet. Then chain 3, 1 2 3. Next space, make a single crochet and chain 3. So likewise, just go to each chain 1 space and make a single crochet and chain 3. I'll meet you at the end of this round. I'm at the end of the 4th row. I've made single crochet, chain 3 in each of the chain 1 spaces. Okay, you should have 12 single crochet and 12 chain 3 spaces. Okay, now we have to slip stitch to the initial single crochet we made. Okay, now make a chain 1 and cut the yarn. Now I'm going to join this yarn. You can join at any of the single crochet space. Okay, so I'm going to join here. Okay, so just make a chain 1 and the same space make a single crochet. Okay, so we made a single crochet. Now in the chain 3 space we are going to make 3 single crochets. Okay, so 1 2 and 3. Now go to the single crochet space and make a single crochet. Now make 3 single crochets, 1 2 3. Now in the single crochet space make a single crochet. Okay, so it's just like making a single crochet, 3 single crochet, single crochet, 3 single crochet, likewise. Okay, so just continue making it. I'll meet you at the end of this round. So I'm about to complete the 5th round. At the end of this 5th round we should have 48 single crochets. Okay, so now go to the first single crochet and make a slip stitch. Okay, now we are not going to finish off this yarn because we are going to continue with this on the 6th row itself. Okay, so for the 6th round single crochet space, go to the next chain and make a slip stitch. Okay, now we have a second single crochet. Into it we are going to make 5 double crochets. Okay, so go into it, make 5 double crochets, 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, so we made 5 double crochet. Now skip the next stitch, go to the next one, make a slip stitch. Okay, now skip the next stitch, go to the next stitch and make 5 double crochet, 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, now skip one stitch, go to the next stitch and make a slip stitch. Okay, now skip the next one, go to the second one and make 5 double crochet. Okay, so 5 double crochet, skip one stitch, then slip stitch, again skip one stitch and make 5 double crochets. Okay, so just repeat this for this entire row. I'll meet you at the end of this round. Okay, at the end of the 6th round we should have 12 shells. Okay, now we are going to slip stitch to the initial space. For the 7th round also we are going to use the same yarn. Okay, so now go to the, now just make a chain 1. Okay, we have this 5 double crochet shell stitch, right? So how we are going to work is, so going to our first double crochet, making a single crochet, second double crochet, make another single crochet. For the third double crochet, make 3 single crochets into it. Okay, 1, 2 and 3, and again 4th and 5th gets 1 single crochet each. Okay, so we are actually increasing the shell, right? So now slip stitch to the last previous slip stitch. Now go again, make 1 single crochet, 1 single crochet, then 3 single crochets, 1, 2, 3, all 3 in the same double crochet. Now make 1 single crochet, another single crochet in the next, then make a slip stitch. Okay, so just like that you make single crochet, then 3 single crochet, single crochet, single crochet, slip stitch. Okay, so just make it. I'll meet you at the end of this round. Now I'm at the end of the 7th row. So in the 7th row, on each shell you should have 7 single crochets. Okay, so now slip stitch to the beginning, then make a chain 1 and cut the yarn. Okay, we're going to start the 8th round by joining this yarn. Okay, so where you have to join is in this shell, you have to join in the middle of the shell. Okay, so you will have 7 single crochets, so you have to join in the 4th single crochet. So 1, 2, 3, 4, so in the 4th single crochet. So after this you will have 3. Okay, so you have 3 this side and 3 this side, so this is our center. So go only to the back loop. Okay, now grab this yarn, come out. Okay, now make a chain 1 and make a single crochet in the back loop only. So this entire round we are going to work on back loop only. Okay, so now we started with single crochet. Now to the next stitch in the back loop only we are making a half double crochet. Okay, now back loop only we are making a double crochet. Now in back loop only we are going to make triple crochet together. So for that I have wrapped the yarn twice. Now go to the back loop and just make it twice, don't complete it. Again go to this slip stitch area and do it similar. Again go to the first space of here and now complete. You will have 4 loops on the hook. Now take the yarn and complete everything together. Okay, now we are going to the next shell. In the shell we are going the reverse order, so you have to do a double crochet now and do a half double crochet. Okay, so now this is almost over. So now again we are going to start the second format. So we started with a single crochet, right? So we are in the middle of the shell, so we're going to make a single crochet. The next one gets a half double crochet, the next one gets a double crochet, then we are going to do 3 triple crochet together. Okay, don't forget the slip stitch space, else you will not get 3 triple crochet together. Okay, so it's the second one. So now on the third one. Okay, no. So this is our slip stitch portion. Make 1, 2, I will have, go to the first position, make 1, 2, I'll have 4 on the loop. Okay, done. The next make a double crochet, the next make a half double crochet. Okay, so this makes 2 complete. Then you will start with a single crochet, then half double crochet, then double crochet, 3 double crochet together, then double crochet, then half double crochet. Okay, so this is the repeat of this round. So just continue making it. I'll meet you at the end of this round. So I'm at the end of the 8th row and final. So just go to the first single crochet and make a slip stitch, make a chain 1 and cut this yarn. Our coaster is now ready. I just have to hide this yarn. I'll just hide it and I'll come back to you. Now our coaster is ready. I have hided the yarns. Okay, I hope you really liked and enjoyed watching this video. If you make such these beautiful tea table coasters, please do share it with me on my Facebook page, Maruti Crochet. Okay, so I'll meet you all with another crochet tutorial. Until then, ta-ta, bye-bye.